So you've turned on your Westinghouse Roku TV just to find out it's stuck on this black screen. And you can hear the navigation sound when you press on a remote as well without any picture. If you have this weird sound but no picture issue as well, this video will show you the most effective and all the proven fixes. So first, we're going to try restarting your TV using the Roku Secret Restart shortcut. Grab your remote and then press the home button 5 times, then up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. Just leave your TV, do nothing, wait for 10 to 12 seconds, and the TV should restart automatically. Once it turns back on, check if the display is not working. If the screen is still showing black, now we're going to perform a power cycle. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Just leave it unplugged for about 1 minute. Now, while it's unplugged, what you can check meanwhile is just disconnect any HDMI devices or other peripherals connected to the TV. And then after 1 minute, just plug the TV back in and turn it on again. Now, most of the times, you should get rid of the problem after these two processes. If the issue continues, you might need to perform a factory reset, but keep in mind, this will erase all your customized settings and remove your Roku account from the TV. If you're okay with that, go to the back ports on your TV and now find out the reset pinhole somewhere in there, depending on your model. Now you gotta take a paper clip, SIM ejector tool, or a pen, and then just press and hold this button inside for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now, after the reset is completed, the TV should turn on normally and it'll show the Roku logo and then display the Roku guided setup screen. If you're seeing this, that means your display is fixed. If the screen is still black, even after performing a factory reset, the issue is most likely hardware related, such as failed backlight or another internal component. And in that case, it is likely need to be repaired or serviced. Let us know in the comments if we could solve your problem. Thanks for your time.